Most new Targus docking stations feature automatic power on when connected to power and your laptop via USB-C. First, plug the docking station into a power outlet using the provided AC adapter. Ensure it's compatible, typically 100-240 volts. Next, connect the USB-C cable from the dock to your laptop or tablet. Look for LED indicator lights to confirm it's on. If it doesn't power on automatically, some older models have a physical power button. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Ensure your USB-C cable is in good condition and properly connected to avoid boot failures. Keeping your firmware up to date using Targus's software tool ensures compatibility and smooth operation. If your Targus docking station isn't powering on, start by double-checking the power adapter connection and the USB-C cable to ensure they're securely plugged in. Make sure your power adapter provides sufficient power. At least 65 watts is recommended for full functionality of the docking station. Update the docking station's firmware through Targus's support website to resolve potential issues. Verify that both your laptop and docking station fully support USB-C power delivery protocols for seamless power on. Check online forums like Reddit or Targus's support site for solutions to common issues and user-reported problems. Targus docking stations provide power pass-through up to 100 watts and support connecting multiple peripherals simultaneously. USB Power Delivery 3.0 or higher manages power flow to prevent overheating and device damage. While user surveys show high satisfaction with power reliability, occasional firmware hiccups can occur, so keeping your device updated is key.